Joe Heath, Cey Connor wedi ennill ei 2 gêm gartre y tymor yma. Nathan Wolf, Dylan Rees sydd o'i amgylch. I droi o unwaith ar eildro ac yn cael ei groesiad i fewn. Michael Wilde! O, terror postyn! O, cyfle euraidd i Michael Wilde, y groesiad gan Wolf yn un da. Neb yn marcio Wilde, a mi ddylsa bod yr ymwysodwr wedi gwneud yn well. Danby. Wilde, ôl beniad i gyfeiriad Wolf. McCarthy ydy'r amddiffynwr. Ond Wolf yn llwyddo gael ei groesiad i fewn. Wilde! O'r arbediad gan Fuller. Nathan Wolf yn cychwyn ei gêm gyntaf o'r tymor. Peniad Michael Wilde. Arbediad da gan Fuller. Smith. Yr eilydd Michael Bacare yn gofyn amdani ac yn ei derbyn ni. Rees o'i flaen. Bacare yn oedi'r chwarae. Lewis yn clirio. Owen. James Owen i gan o'r hwyd! Ail gol o'r tymor i James Owen am ddiffyn Blair gan y myfyrwyr. Barnett a Baker yn ewredig. James Owen yn fwy penderfynol ac yn cadw i ben i roi Cey Connor ar y blaen. Emlyn Lewis. Heath yn clirio. Parker. Cosby yn disgwyl am rediad Elliot Evans. Ac ar dôr hwyd a dyna'r agosa eto i myfyrwyr Caerdydd yn ioni'r sgôr. Bacare, Cey Connor yn parhau edrych am yr ail gol i sicrhau'r 3 phwynt. Ond y groesiad yn rhyddifn. Wolf, digon o amser. Ac yn ei gosod i Kai Edwards groesi. Bacare o arbediad da gan Fuller. Edwards yn croesi'r tro cynta. Bacare yn codi'n uwch na neb. Yr arbediad yn isel i'w chwith gan Fuller.
You know, they're a good team. They drew with TNS last week. They beat Bangor. They lost to Bala when they battered them. You know, so it's a great result. You know, because they'll take a lot of points off a lot of teams. And when you come in at half time, you're a bit worried because you think, you know, you should be 3-0 up, should be in the game's put to bed then. And against a good team, they're always going to have a spell of possession. But, you know, as much possession as they did have the second half, again, John Danby's not a save to make. So, you know, thoroughly delighted with a typical Andy Morrison professional performance.
Dwi'n meddwl dylen ni wedi fod 3 fyny cyn i fi sgorio. A dwi'n sgorio fel arfer, so lwcus bo ni yna. Fyddwch chi dweud, gath Wilde 2 chance, gath George hanner cyfle, so os ydyn ni wedi cymeryd einas ar gem di gorffen ar ôl chwarter awr.
We understand that Connor's key, their philosophy is balls into the box and put you under pressure, okay, and they've done that, and it's just a sloppy goal to give away. I think if you look at the stats, second half, look how many balls they didn't put into our box. I think that's significant to see how we adopted and changed our approach in the second half and really put them under some pressure.
Bangor 2 tonight. If you win that one, Connor's key on top of the league.
Yeah, I mean, you know, we said before this game if we could take 4 points from the 2 games, it would be a great return, and we've got the first 3, you know, and without ever saying it's a free one, because Bangor were so good on the Friday and we were so poor. It's almost like another free chance at it, and we've got to make sure that we make the most of that opportunity, because, you know, with them being 1-0 up and the way they were on the night, and listen, Bangor will never play a team, a Connor's Key team, as bad as what we were on that night, so that's unfortunate for them.